Crafting coffee tables from broken branches may at first sound like a modest undertaking, but within this simple concept lies a world of creativity, storytelling, and opportunity that stretches far beyond the surface of a functional piece of furniture. Every branch that falls in the forest or is discarded in someone's backyard carries with it a history, a natural texture, and a form that cannot be replicated by machines or mass-produced designs. When placed in the hands of an imaginative woodworker or a DIY enthusiast with vision, those forgotten branches can be transformed into coffee tables that not only serve as the centerpiece of a living room, but also as living symbols of sustainability, craftsmanship, and timeless design. This journey from what many view as waste to what becomes a profitable and cherished piece of art is more than just woodworking. It is a story of how imagination turns into tangible beauty, and how beauty itself can be leveraged into a lifestyle of eco-conscious living and sustainable business growth. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of organic elegance coffee tables, design ideas from broken branches that inspire transforms home interiors and sell. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The process begins with the recognition that broken branches, despite their irregular shapes and imperfections, are not limitations but opportunities. Each curve, knot, and jagged end adds character, ensuring that the final table will not only be functional, but also deeply unique. Unlike factory-produced tables that look identical from one piece to another, a coffee table crafted from branches tells its own story. The bark may carry scars from weather, the grain may twist in unexpected directions, and the branches themselves may resist being shaped into conventional symmetry. Yet it is precisely this unpredictability that creates designs modern homeowners crave. In an era where consumers increasingly seek decor that feels personal and authentic, these branch-built tables emerge as powerful symbols of individuality. A coffee table no longer becomes just a surface for books and mugs, but an organic work of art, anchoring the room with warmth and personality. At the same time, these tables embody eco-conscious values that resonate with today's generation of buyers. Repurposing branches that would otherwise be discarded prevents unnecessary waste and highlights the growing importance of sustainability in modern design. Choosing to work with fallen wood instead of relying solely on milled lumber or synthetic alternatives allows crafters to align with the eco-friendly movement that prioritizes giving new life to materials already at hand. For homeowners, owning such a piece becomes a statement not only of taste, but also of environmental responsibility, blending lifestyle with values in a way that mass-market decor often fails to deliver. It is this merging of beauty and purpose that allows handcrafted branch tables to stand apart in the decor market, giving them both sentimental and commercial value. For the maker, crafting with branches also opens a door to creativity that pushes boundaries. Since no two branches are alike, each table requires a fresh approach, a new balance between form and function, and a willingness to adapt design ideas to the material's natural flow. This constant evolution not only keeps the creative process exciting, but also ensures that every project produces a one-of-a-kind result. It transforms woodworking into an art form, where the crafter is less of an engineer imposing rigid lines and more of a collaborator working alongside nature to bring out the best in each piece of wood. This dynamic encourages innovation, experimentation with finishes, and even the blending of other natural materials such as glass, stone, or metal to create designs that feel both rustic and modern, raw yet refined. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. On the business side, coffee tables made from branches are more than just creative experiments. They represent a profitable opportunity. In a market that increasingly values handmade goods, rustic furniture, and sustainability, branch-crafted tables can command strong interest and even premium pricing. Buyers who want something unique for their homes are often willing to pay more for a table that cannot be found in chain furniture stores, and the handmade element adds not only exclusivity, but also emotional appeal. For an entrepreneur or small business owner, this demand translates into a growing niche where imagination becomes income. What begins as a passion project or hobby in a workshop can scale into a thriving venture as word spreads. Online marketplaces highlight the pieces, and buyers respond to the authenticity and craftsmanship behind the work. Furthermore, such tables fit seamlessly into modern decor trends that emphasize minimalism with warmth, rustic accents in contemporary settings, and the blending of natural textures with sleek urban design. A coffee table from branches can find its place in a rustic farmhouse living room, a chic urban loft, or even a high-end eco-luxury interior. Its versatility makes it not just a niche product, but a universal one, appealing to different styles and different audiences while carrying the same essence of authenticity and sustainability. This broad market reach only strengthens the case for branch-crafted furniture as a viable income source for woodworkers and entrepreneurs. Yet beyond profit, crafting tables from broken branches offers something more profound, a sense of connection. For the maker, it connects them to nature, allowing them to see beauty in what others discard. For the homeowner, it connects them to a story, the story of transformation, sustainability, and creativity. Every time a guest admires the table, it becomes an opportunity to share that story, reinforcing the idea that furniture can be more than just functional, it can be meaningful. This storytelling element is one of the most powerful tools for makers who wish to market their pieces, as it transforms the product from an object into an experience. Ultimately, the significance of crafting coffee tables from broken branches lies in how it brings together imagination, sustainability, craftsmanship, and profitability into one process. It demonstrates that creativity doesn't require expensive resources, but instead thrives when makers look at ordinary, overlooked materials with fresh eyes. It proves that eco-conscious living and successful business ventures do not have to be at odds, but can work hand in hand, each strengthening the other. And it shows that beauty, when created with intention and respect for materials, becomes something that not only enhances homes, but also enriches lives. In this way, a simple branch, once broken, forgotten, or left to decay, becomes a catalyst for transformation. Through skilled hands and inspired vision, it turns into a coffee table that grounds a living room, sparks conversations, and tells a story of creativity and care. For the maker, it becomes a pathway to express artistry and build a profitable craft business. For the homeowner, it becomes an heirloom of modern sustainability and personal expression. And for the world, it becomes a reminder that imagination can take even the smallest, most overlooked pieces of nature and shape them into lasting, meaningful beauty. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked organic elegance coffee tables design ideas from broken branches that inspire transforms home interiors and sell. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.